Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have admin access to N8n and a Microsoft 365 account. In Azure AD, register a new app and note the client ID and tenant ID. These identify your integration. Then create a client secret and set the redirect URI to your N8n URL. This allows OAuth callbacks. Once done, assign the delegated OneDrive and Microsoft Graph permissions the workflow needs. Make sure to save credentials securely, because you'll paste them into N8n in the next step. Now switch to N8n and create a new Microsoft Graph or OneDrive credential. You'll paste the client ID, tenant ID, and client secret you saved earlier, and verify the OAuth 2 redirect matches your N8n callback path. Then trigger the authorization flow inside N8n. You'll be redirected to Microsoft to sign in and consent to the permissions. Once you grant access, N8n receives tokens and stores them. This is how N8n can act on your OneDrive files securely and automatically. Finish by adding OneDrive nodes to your workflow. List, get, upload, and select the credential you created. Run the workflow to validate the connection and inspect node outputs to confirm file metadata and content flow correctly. Add error handling, retries, and logging for reliability. If things go wrong, refresh the OAuth credential or recreate the client secret. Make sure the redirect URI in Azure exactly matches N8n's callback, and verify the required graph permissions were granted. Then rerun tests until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.